Well, it never fails. I put the camera down for 5 seconds and Captain hooks up with another one. I'm taking a little sleigh ride right now. And I want everybody to know that we're using single hooks on our top waters. And that last big one he caught broke his back hook off, so he's doing this with a single hook. Hopefully it'll stay on long enough to get a picture. Who's winning over there?
I'm not sure. This is just a little one.
Yeah, that's only a 22.
Yeah.
A big, fat, healthy 22.
£5.
5 pounds, Captain said.
And he's gone.
And away he went. Yep, set the camera down again. Here we go again. And this one may be bigger than the big one.
This is the big one.
Yeah, I ain't sure who's towing who yet. I think you're cranking your yak to the fish.
I think you're right. We're fixing to go. Well, it's not that big. About 24, 25.
Captain says he's 24, 25. Yeah, let me tell y'all how this works. See, I put the camera down, make a cast. I'm this one, and he hooks one.
With a lure with one hook on it.
Yeah, with a lure with one hook. He's still throwing the same one. Captain said he was about ready to call Uncle a minute ago. He wanted to quit. Well, hang on. Alright, so let's see what that fish looks like there, Captain.
Pretty little red.
Yeah, ain't nothing little about that one. Not on a single hook topwater.
Nice little fish. I'll show you that top water. And she's gone. See?
Yeah, there you go.
Single hook. Back hook is gone.
He broke the back one off. Well, yeah. Professional overrun over there.
That's funny.
Captain's jumpy over here.
It makes my heart go pitter patter.
No, we're recording.